Hey everyone, this is my third video so far today, and I'm wearing down. I did one on Adore Me lingerie, and then I did a small video on this Jacqueline Kent mug and tote. Look at that. I gotta show it to my Stitch Fix people. I love this mug. Look at this little tote. I did a video on it, so if you want to take a look at it in all its glory, it's beautiful. Anyway, enough of that. Third video, and I'm hoping that's it for the day. Here's my little thing from Stitch Fix, and I've got some bundles. I asked for athletic wear, and let's see what I got in here. Here's my little return bag, and here's my something. I don't know what's in it. Let's start with this little bag, and I'm guessing it's shoes because they always put the shoes in these little bags. What do we got here? I've got to see what's in here before I even look at anything. Don't be so impatient, Donna. Don't be so impatient. I have a stylist. Her name is Christy, and I think she sent me some cute things. These sneakers are called these Pure Motion 2.0 sneaker by Adidas. And I'm going to show you the items so that you can check them out as we go. And then I'm going to hold up the price sheet as well. We'll see what this thing is. Where's that price sheet at? This is box number 107, you guys. Thank you, Christy. The total would be $287 if I buy it for 5 items, but I get a 25% discount of $71.75 if I buy all 5. It'd be $215 plus tax, so it's going to run me about $250. So let's take a look. There, I hope this isn't in reverse so you guys can see the item numbers and the items. And I'll read them off as we go. Hopefully, I'll set that right there. These tennis shoes are size 8, and they're $75. They're cute. I kind of like them. They're soft. I like the detailing on the front. These little stripes are kind of cute too. I can totally see my granddaughter trying to nab these from me. She wears the same size shoes as me now. Every time she sees something come in, it's like, oh, Grandma. But they're cute. So these might be a keeper. They may be a keeper. I'll put them over here. Okay. And then we have the bundle. And there you go. Let's tear this baby open together like we have always done and always will. All right. What do we got here? Market and Spruce, the Joanne ribbed knit Henley top in black. It's a size small. And this Market and Spruce is $36. Wow. That's a cute top. I like this baby. It's longer, and I'm going to do a try on. I'm going to try this stuff on today. But I wonder how long this top is. It's a long top. But I kind of like it. We'll see. We'll see how this works out. I'll put that over here on this ottoman. And then we have North Face, and I love North Face. This is the Women's Plus Wander Slit Back Tank. $40. Wow. Ooh, this is sheer. You'd almost need a sports. Let me show you how sheer this is. If I can do it. Can you see? You can kind of see through it. Can you see that? It's kind of sheer. Yeah. But and then the back of it has a little keyhole cut to it. That's cute. That's cute. I like it. I can see that. And it just kind of has a little detailing at the bottom. Close at the top. There's no V-neck or anything. That's, you know, I have a lot of tops like this, so I don't know. I don't know if that's going to work or not. Because I do have a lot. Ooh. What do we have here? We have a skirt. Who's this by? Absolution. You gotta see this. Mold my hold. Boost your assets. Oh my God. That is funny. Curve equality. I'm all for that, huh? That's a great thing. This is by Democracy, size 4. This is a Madeline skirt, and it's $68. That's not bad. It's a little longer than what I usually wear. It has 2 pockets in the back, so you can see that. And yes, I think they're real pockets sometimes. Sometimes they don't give us real pockets. In the front, it has 2 slit pockets on either side, like that. And they, oh wow, they're deep. That would be great for my insulin pump, you guys. I could slide that in. And also, there's a small little pocket down here in the front. Can you see it? So if this fits, I think it's a high-waisted skirt. This might be get a lot of wear for me. And then we have one more. I have 2 skirts. Oh, same company, I think. Yeah. This is by Madeline as well, and it's $68, but it's in tan. Size 4, $68. Wow. And I'm thinking she's thinking, wear that black shirt with it. I'm going to look and see. But I'm guessing that's what she's doing. Because that would look cute with that. See? Oh, it's got 2 little pockets. I didn't see it on the other side, on the other skirt. Isn't that cute? Now, if it is fits right, you know how that it is. It's got a frayed bottom to it. Okay. These look kind of big. Either that or, I don't know. I'm in a funny mood today. I just been doing all kinds of stuff. So, okay, let's stop the video. And while I'm changing into all these clothes for you guys, please hit that like button for me. And please subscribe. I've been doing this for a lot of years, and I would like to build up the subscribers to this channel. I'm retired now, and that is important to me. So, hang on a second, and snap, I'm going to be back. Hang on. Okay. First outfit. Now, I have this skirt kind of pulled up a little bit. I just need to kind of give you an idea. This skirt is too big. It is, let me show you here if I can, but if you'll see, I can pull this skirt. This is the skirt I'm pinching. It's too big for me. At the waist, I have a thin waist. I'm a 4, but this is not gripping. Now, if I pull the skirt down, I guess it's okay, but it still gaps in the back. So it's not going to fit me right. I guess, I don't know. It's okay. But I have cuter clothes. I have cuter things in this. The top is, I don't know, I'll have to try it on with something else. I kind of like the top. Maybe with a pair of black shorts or a different skirt. Hang on and we'll try on the other skirt and see if that looks better. But I'm just not in love with this skirt. I think it's got an odd rounded shape to me. All right, I'll be back in a second. Hang on. Hey, snapping back. All right, another skirt, just like the other one, and they're not bad. It's just I feel that they're just, I don't know. If they were just a little bit right about there, I don't know. I just feel like they're too long. Now I have my insulin pump in this, and also they're just too big right here. I mean, look, I've got a gap, a huge gap in the band right here. So they're just, it doesn't fit me right. And I just don't feel that it's not a flattering skirt when you see it. It really isn't. It might look good on video, but I doubt it. So we have the last item, the last two items, and I'm going to just hold these up. Hang on, because there is this item. And I was going to try it on, and I did try it on, but it takes a sports bra. Let me show it to you. To go underneath of it. It's cute, but I think I've got some things in my closet right up there that is the same thing. So, am I going to buy it? No. I think this is a box that I can't. Maybe this top. I'm going to try it on with some shorts and things like that and see what happens. The tennis shoes, we'll see. But let me show you what I just purchased. And so, you can see my little pump thing. I bought some new Keens. And these are great. So I got some new Keens. Those are my athletic hiking sandals. But I bought these tennis shoes, and these are Hoka's. And they're the new style that just came out. So, and they're really lightweight. They're great for grabbing the dirt for me. Because up in Upper Michigan, you've got to have, there's a lot of sand, so you got to have something that grabs a tread on it. So anyway, I am going to stop right now and think about this top. Kind of like it. So you're looking at it. I think it would be okay with some stuff I have. The tennis shoes, maybe. My granddaughter may snag those. And we'll just see how that goes. But please subscribe, you guys. And I'm going to get my day going. And I've got 3 videos here I've got to get out. And we'll just see you soon. Bye-bye. Take care of yourself.